If you want to come and be bringing problems into my life, go. I just take a walk and shut that door. I don't want to see you. Guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on self-improvement tips and vlogs. If this is your first time of seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And also you can join this beautiful and growing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, thank you so much for returning and thank you so much for subscribing. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. In today's video, I will be talking about how to invest in yourself by yourself. Okay, I know by the title of the video you're already seeing it, so let's go straight into this video. Please keep on watching to enjoy. So guys, I don't want this video to be long. I just want this video to be straight to the point. Okay, and this video I'll just start from what you put in your mouth first to the rest of the other good stuff. So please keep on watching to the end. Please don't click out in any part in this video. Keep on watching this video to the end so you get the value I want to share in this video. I will not come here to be saying things they have not tried, they have not worked for me. I've always said this, everything I've shared have worked for me. I've used them personally, and mind you, I'm still in my 20s, so I share from the things I've used, experience, and I know of. The first point I have for you is eat healthy. That is how to invest in yourself. The first thing to do, the first investment you can do for yourself and by yourself is to eat healthy. Yes, your body will serve you in the long run. It's your body, it's your own. You have to take care of it. Whatever you put into this body, it's whatever is going to give you. It's whatever is going to bring out. It's whatever is going to serve you in the long run. So why not invest in healthy living? Body will serve you in the long run. You'll be healthy. You'll be able to run. You'll be fit as hell. It's not easy to be healthy, but some people think that eating healthy is expensive or having a healthy lifestyle is expensive. I'll tell you, one of these days I'm going to film. In fact, if you want me to film a video of how I eat healthy, I'm going to share it step by step, and you will see that there is nothing to it. It's as simple as not eating healthy. It's even cheaper when you eat healthy. I'm telling you, okay? Eat healthy. Eating healthy varies from your smoothie to the main food you put in your mouth. Anything you want to put in your mouth, make sure it's healthy. Even as little as putting chocolate in your mouth. Make sure you are eating the healthy form of chocolate, sweets, and biscuits. That is how eating healthy go. Don't say, okay, eat healthy, maybe your meals are healthy, then you are not eating healthy. You are a sweet tooth like me, and you're not eating other things that needs to be healthy, like your chocolate, your smoothie, your sweets. I take biscuits, but I make sure they're as healthy as I can get them. Okay, so don't say, oh, it's only meals that should be healthy. My chocolate, I cannot indulge in what I like. No. You have to check every single thing. When I say every single thing you're putting into your body, into your mouth rather, you're putting into your mouth, you have to check every single thing, because those are the things that is going to work against or for your body. Okay, so guys, let me take you to the next point. So guys, the next point I have for you is prioritize your mental health over anything. Someone like me, I don't joke with my mental health. If you want to stress me, if you want to come and be bringing problems into my life, go. I just take a walk and shut that door. I don't want to see you, because the life is already hard. I will tell people life is already hard. Why make it harder for me? Surround yourself with people that make you happy. Do jobs that make you happy. Do things that make you happy. Put yourself first. Put your mental health first. Most people don't know. The more you keep on, for example, we have pack of bricks. If somebody keep on taking from that bricks and it's eating you up, before you know, the foundation, the brick itself, everything will collapse and fall. And that will be, it will not be good. That kind of time can push you into depression. For people that have not gone into depression before, you don't want to be there, and I don't want you to be there. Someone like me that went there and come back, that's not a good place to be. So everything and anything that will stress you or put you into this part, depression, anything and everything that will stress you, that doesn't add to your life, please put that thing aside. Once it doesn't add value to your life, just put it aside. Your mental health should come first, because if anything happens to you, those people are going to dump you. You have to deal with it yourself. So you don't want to start dealing with shitty people. Just put them aside, okay? I know this is not the first time of you hearing about prioritizing yourself, prioritizing your mental health. Please, it's real. Depression is real. You need to prioritize yourself. I am begging you. Prioritize your mental health, because your mental health, you don't want to go breaking down. It will serve you in the long run, because you need a stable health condition or your stable self to be able to work, to be able to live your life, to be able to do things that you need to do and earn money or make a living. You understand? So if you are not stable, if your mental health is not stable, your finances won't be stable. Things in your life cannot be stable. I'm telling you. What I'm saying about mental health, if it's false, correct me in the comment section, okay? And if you can relate to depression, if you have been depressed and you got out of it, please comment in the comment section and tell us how you feel right now that you are out of that dark place. Okay, so guys, let me take you to the next point. So guys, the next point I have, or the next investment you need to do for yourself, by yourself, is investing in a good quality handbag. It sounds funny, you'll be like, how does this make sense? Yes, most times most people don't value their bags. I am a sucker for good bags, like good bags and good shoes. I might not be a sucker for clothes, but you see, bags, some bags you will invest in when you're no longer financially stable. You can sell those bags and get your money and do one of two you need. I'm telling you, there's some Birkin bags, there's some designers bag that if you invest in, good quality designer bags, that if you invest in, that this in your rainy days, this bag can come in handy. Like, you can sell them and get value for your money and invest it in your life. Okay, so I don't want most people to, I don't say go and rob a bank to buy a bag. Oh, no, please, if you have the money, if you can save towards a good bag, please do. That's what I'm saying. So if you can save towards a good bag, if you have such money, instead of buying a shoe that you know that after some time maybe it will lose its form and you cannot sell them, it's very important you carry that money and get a good designer or a good quality bag that you know has a value, or it retains its value after years of being bought. Like, after years you've gotten the bag, you can sell this bag and you will get value for your money. If you go online, check on some Birkin's bag, some designer bag, and you will see what I'm telling you. If I am lying, put it down in the comment section, true or false. Okay, if you have a designer bag that has a value, tell us the kind of designer bag you have and what is name. Let's just check it out and you will see what I'm saying. It's not false, it's true. I won't come here, remember, I won't come here giving you first word of saying first thing that I have not researched and have not done for myself. Okay, so at this point in this video, please like this video. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Please do that now. Thank you. Thank you. Okay guys, so let's go to the next point. So guys, the last and my final point of how you need to invest in yourself by yourself is take class outside your expertise. Yes, take class outside your expertise. Example, I always use myself as example, as instance. Now I have a hair business. I know hair business. I know all about hair. I make hair. I make wigs too. Now, this year I told myself that I don't want to be an only hair business seller. I want to have other skills. That's what I told myself. And today, YouTube has come out of me by force. I am filming. If you have told me 2 years ago that I will ever own a YouTube channel, I'll tell you you're lying. But I improved my life. I told myself I want to improve my life, and here am I. I am not stopping, and it feels so good doing all I am doing. Secondly, I started going for, if you watch my vlog, you will notice that I talk about UI UX design classes. I started going for design classes for websites, for apps, and also I'm learning how to design. These are the things that I've added to my life, and other parts of my life, other things I've added to my life that I cannot share right now is still in progress. Okay, and I even have next year I have other things I want to add to these skills that I'm building for myself. You don't know which skill will save you. You don't know which opportunity will come out, and you have that skill. But when you're just there, oh, you want to have only this skill, I will advise you, leave that comfort zone. Filming and creating content like this are not my expertise, so I don't know how to do it. But here am I today, I'm doing it. I left my comfort zone. I was scared. I was very scared. I put it off so many times. I'm telling you, if you watch my first set of videos, they are not perfect. Like the editing, everything is trash. I didn't give up because I know practice makes perfect. You have to come out from your comfort zone before you will know your strength. You cannot know your strength if you keep on doing a particular thing. But when you try your hands at other things, you will know your strength. For example, now, shocking, I don't even know I know how to design. But when I am designing, I tell you, it is shocking to me myself. I am editing my video. I am filming videos by myself, taking my thumbnail by myself, editing it myself, doing everything myself. I set up, I film, I edit by myself. This is what I don't even know I can do. I am not even perfect as it is now. By the time I become perfect, I might start saying I want to help people. I might want to start helping 1 or 2 people to edit their videos and start getting paid for that. So you have to come out from your comfort zone and test your strengths. Without testing your strength, you don't know what you can do. Just try. You can start from going classes for public speaking, taking classes for digital marketing, taking classes for editing, taking classes for photography. You understand? Before you know, you'll be able to do this. Okay, so guys, this is my last point in this video. So guys, I have gotten to the end of this video, and if you've watched to this part, thank you so much for watching to this point. It means you've been watching my video from the start to the end. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you for sticking with me. I hope you got value from this video as I got value from shooting it for you. Now, if you have not subscribed at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Join this growing family. Join, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Okay, click on that like button and give this video a huge like, and also share this video so you can get to more people. Okay, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Please stay safe out there. I really love and appreciate you all. Bye guys. Bye.